Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a range test between two radios. The first one is the Shturman R230 with the echo repeater. I connected the antenna flex a little bit longer than usual antenna and connected this wire, and I'm going to put this radio right here on a tree, and with the second radio I'm going to test from some points and check the range between two radios. Just put the radio on a tree. Let's make a test. 27 MHz. Testing, audio. Testing, audio. All is working, let's go. Let's test the radio from this point. Testing, audio. Testing, audio. You can see using the short antenna we can communicate. Let's go to the next point. Testing, audio. It works perfect. Let's go to the next point in the forest. You can see the road, the forest road. Let's test the radio on this point, this short antenna, 27 MHz. Testing, audio, testing. It works. Currently we hear the propagation on 27 MHz. Let's test the radio. Testing. Let's test the radio. Testing. It works. Let's go to the next point. Let's test the radio from this point. Short antenna, 27 MHz, citizen band. Testing, audio, testing. Testing. All works perfect. Let's connect the flex antenna a little bit longer than this antenna. Antenna a little bit longer. Let's make a test. Testing, audio, testing. Testing, audio, testing. All works. Let's go to the next point. The noise floor is really high because I'm not in the forest. You can see the street, but a lot of trees around the street. Let's go to the next point and test the radio. Testing, audio, testing. No, there is no any connections. Let's connect the long wire right here to the antenna and test again. Just connected long wire right here, around 1.5 meters, and antenna flex. Testing, audio, testing. Testing, audio, testing. All works perfect. Let's go to the next point. Let's go to the next point. I think the distance is really high for the radio, but anyway, let's test them. Let's make test from this point. Testing. All works perfectly. Audio, test. The range is pretty good for 27 MHz. And such type of antenna with wire. I think the radio works good. Leave a comment. See you next time.